There are many reasons why you should get a scooter. There are loads of different benefits, but I'm going to keep this today nice and simple for you. This is going to be a number of options that are available for you, especially in the Yamaha range of X-Max and N-Max scooters. You will actually be surprised with the amount of value you can get from a scooter. This is a number of options: lightweight, durable, easy to use, and you don't have to dress like a Power Ranger. You've got 125cc, you've got 250cc. You can go about town. Even if you have to go on a highway, if you get a 250cc, it does actually perform quite well to get you where you need to go. This is something that will help you get everywhere you need to go without looking like out of place, as well as having loads of options to just drop off at different places, view the scenery, try new locations. If you need to get a pillion on your back, you can actually take a pillion around with you as well. Sightseeing, I would recommend full face helmets. However, in the weather you can change and decide what you think would work for you better. The 250cc versus the 125cc, this is the X-Max range. It's going to be dependent on your licensing needs, but Yamaha, rev your heart. Looking at these options, you can see Yamaha has been working hard to give us loads of nice new constructions and upgrades in the LCD environment, as well as a connectivity to be able to connect your actual devices. This can be your watch, this can be your computer in your pocket, which we call smartphones these days. Everything's integrated in the new system of indicators, lighting, LED powered, and all of this makes it nice and easy for you. I've had a Yamaha for a long period of time, at 2009, so you know the reliability is going to be there. With the newer models, you get the extra bells and whistles like the traction control and ABS, and also the engine core is going to be even better for you, so you get better mileage out of these bikes. I'm calling them bikes, they are scooters. You've got adjustable screens on the newer models, and I'm going to show you a few varieties today that you can look at if you're thinking about this. A good range of options, especially if you're wanting something that you need. However, what you desire is going to be totally different. Sometimes we just need to get to where we're going without too much fuss, without too much hassle, comfortably, easily. All we need is water. We have fancy sinks. All we need is basic transportation. All we need is sleeping. We have a mattress. But you desire a full-on 4-poster bed. Why? It's because everybody is individual. We want luxury. We need light. Yeah, okay, that's fine. But who needs a chandelier which is 25,000 million zillion pounds? This is all going to be something that you want and need. There's going to be a balance, a strike between having a sports bike and having a scooter. But the margins are getting a lot closer these days with scooters which are actually handling very good. If you get a higher powered engine, it's surprising how fast you can go and remain comfortable. So overall, in this range, you can see these bikes I'm showing you here between 2017 all the way up to 2023. The T-Max is going to be the tech range of the motorcycle arena. It's going to be a scooter that you can show off with gold spokes. That's like next level. You've got your kit. You can also pay attention to what you're wearing, and again, this can be available at a number of different variety of sizes and ways to basically meet your needs. Keyless entry is the next thing. Now this is a big thing. You've got additional joysticks, you've got nice illuminating lights which keep you visible, a number of different colors, and if you have a friend that's tech savvy, just get them to turn all the lights green for you. You can have an absolute party. Obviously sticking to the speed limit, of course. How amazing do these bikes look? I would definitely consider having an upgrade. However, my 2009 250cc X-City, which is an earlier predecessor to all of these bikes, is still running strong, and you can see all the videos I have done about that to restore it. However, there will be a time if you want to upgrade. What would be a nice scooter to look at? Well, you've seen today I've shown you a number of options here, and these are all going to give you a different price point. If you've got a bit of money to spill on it, the T-Max series is going to be an initial one that will give you a good return and straight to the max. Look at that color range. There's some nice videos on these as well and some photography. So big shout out to Yamaha, and this video has been made possible by trustedcreators.org. See you in the next video.